In this video, I will show you how to receive money on Crypto.com. So in order to receive some money, first just open Crypto.com, then go to Accounts in the bottom, then from the home screen click on Deposit, and then there's a few different ways you can receive money. The first one is tokens, so someone transfers some crypto to your wallet address. The second is cash, which is depositing money from a bank account, Apple Pay, debit or credit card. And the third is requesting from a friend that also uses Crypto.com. Most often you want to do either tokens or cash. If you want to do tokens, then click on that. Select the cryptocurrency that someone is sending to you from another wallet. So for example, if they are sending Bitcoin to you, here select Bitcoin, and then select the same network as on the other sending wallet. So if there it is the Bitcoin network, then here also select Bitcoin, and then just go and copy your wallet address and then send it to the person that needs to send you the money, or if it's your own other account, just paste that in on the other wallet and send to this wallet address with the same cryptocurrency under the same network. For bank transfers, just go back here, and then instead of tokens, select cash, and then here choose which payment method you want to use, like a bank transfer, and then you will receive your deposit information, which you can use to make a deposit to your Crypto.com account, and it will then show up in your balance. So that's how to receive money on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.